Having trouble locating old pictures and videos in your Messenger chats on your Android device? Don't worry, I'll show you a simple way to find all the photos and videos you've shared on Messenger. Let's dive right in. First, open the Messenger app. Get into the chat where the pictures and videos were shared. Tap the contact's name or chat title at the top of the screen. Scroll down and select View Media, Files and Links or Media. Now you'll see a section called Media. This will show you all the videos and pictures sent to this chat. Scroll around to find the video or photo you are looking for. You can also check out the sent files and links on the other sections. And that's how easy it is to find your shared pictures and videos on the Messenger app for Android. If you found this video useful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips like this. See you next time.